Have you ever bought a product online and wondered, why didn't I get this earlier? Well, today's video is all about those kinds of products. I'm sharing 10 affordable kitchen and home products that can save you time, make everyday tasks easier, and help keep your home cleaner and more organized. So make sure you stay until the end because my number 10 pick is one of the simplest yet most useful products every kitchen should have. Let's get started. Number 1. Rechargeable electric gas lighter. Lighting a gas stove with traditional matches can be frustrating, especially when they're damp or run out at the wrong time. A rechargeable electric kitchen lighter makes the whole process quicker, safer, and much more convenient. Instead of using a flame, it creates an electric arc that lights your stove in seconds. Since it's USB rechargeable, there's no need to keep buying disposable lighters again and again. It's also useful for lighting candles, diyas, and even barbecue grills. Simple, reusable, and surprisingly handy for everyday use. And the best part? You can get it for around 285 rupees. Number 2. Stainless steel chopping board. Most plastic chopping boards develop knife marks over time and can start holding stains and food odors. A stainless steel chopping board solves that problem. Its smooth surface is easy to clean, doesn't absorb smells, and offers a more hygienic way to prepare vegetables, fruits, and meat. It's durable, rust-resistant, and built to last for years without cracking or warping. If you cook every day, this is one upgrade you'll definitely appreciate. It costs around 347 rupees. Number 3. Kitchen scissors. Why keep switching between a knife, bottle opener, and peeler when one tool can handle multiple kitchen tasks? These multi-purpose kitchen scissors are designed for everyday cooking. From cutting vegetables and herbs to opening food packets and trimming chicken, they make food preparation much faster. The sharp stainless steel blades stay durable even with regular use. They're available for around 249 rupees. Number 4. Vegetable peeler. Love restaurant-style salads but hate spending time cutting vegetables into thin strips? This stainless steel Julienne peeler makes it incredibly easy. Within seconds, you can create perfect strips of carrots, cucumbers, zucchini, potatoes, and more. It's great for salads, noodles, garnishing, and healthy meal prep. The compact design takes almost no storage space, and cleaning it is just as easy. For anyone trying to eat healthier, this little gadget is definitely worth having. It costs around 279 rupees. Number 5. Food wrapping paper. Whether you're baking cookies, wrapping sandwiches, or storing homemade snacks, butter paper is one of those kitchen essentials many people underestimate. It helps prevent food from sticking, keeps baking trays cleaner, and makes food wrapping much easier. It's also great for packing lunch, separating frozen food, or serving homemade desserts. Instead of wasting aluminum foil every time, this is a more practical option for many everyday tasks. Surprisingly, it costs only around 149 rupees. Number 6. Air fryer paper sheets. If you use an air fryer regularly, you already know how annoying it is to clean the basket after every meal. That's where air fryer paper sheets come in. Simply place one inside the basket before cooking, and it catches most of the oil, crumbs, and food residue. Cleanup becomes much faster, and your air fryer stays cleaner for longer. These sheets are heat-resistant, food-safe, and perfect for cooking fries, nuggets, vegetables, chicken, and much more. You can get a pack for around 289 rupees. Number 7. Curd maker. Buying Greek yogurt every week can get expensive. Instead, you can easily make thick, creamy hung curd or Greek-style yogurt right at home. Just pour regular curd into the container, let the excess water drain, and after a few hours, you will have perfectly thick yogurt ready to enjoy. It's ideal for healthy breakfasts, smoothies, dips, sandwiches, desserts, and homemade shriken. If you're into healthy eating, this product is definitely worth checking out. It costs around 299 rupees. Number 8. Paneer maker mold. Homemade paneer always tastes fresher than store-bought, but getting the right texture isn't always easy. A stainless steel paneer press makes the process much simpler. It helps remove excess water evenly, giving you firm and perfectly shaped paneer every time. The stainless steel construction is durable, easy to wash, and reusable for years. If you enjoy homemade dairy products, this is a great addition to your kitchen. You can buy it for around 399 rupees. Number 9. Stainless steel insulated travel mug. Whether you're heading to the office, traveling, or simply working from home, nobody likes cold tea or coffee. Stainless steel insulated travel mug helps keep your drink hot or cold for hours. Its leak-resistant design makes it easy to carry in your bag without worrying about spills. It's perfect for tea, coffee, green tea, or even chilled beverages during summer. A practical everyday product that you'll end up using more often than you expect. It costs around 1,599 rupees. Number 10. anti-slip kitchen drawer and shelf mat. Sometimes it's the smallest products that make the biggest difference. This anti-slip kitchen drawer and shelf mat protects your shelves from scratches, moisture and stains while keeping plates, containers and kitchen items from sliding around. It's easy to cut to any size, simple to clean, and works in kitchen cabinets, wardrobes, refrigerators, and storage drawers. It's an affordable upgrade that keeps your home looking cleaner and more organized with very little effort. And the best part? You can get it for around 399 rupees. And that's my list of 10 useful Amazon kitchen and home products that can genuinely make everyday life easier. Which product did you like the most? Let me know in the comments below. I read every single comment. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to Nikhil's Tech and Appliances. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.